Magic 89.9.
Today's Best Music Magic 89.9. You're listening to the home stretch, your soundtrack to your ride home. I'm Isabel.
JJ.
And we have special guests for you guys today. We have a three-piece band in the booth. We have Let Gravity. Hey, guys.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello. Okay,
Hi,
let's
good
go across the board and then introduce yourselves.
I'm Jad. I'm on guitars.
Yeah, my name is Don and I'm on bass and vocals.
I'm Miguel on drums.
Oh, on a Kehon today.
Yes,
Yeah.
Okay,
Wow.
on today. Yeah.
It's very high school. That's the memory.
Ano kasi ginaganahan sila eh. Ganun daw eh.
Thank you so much
yeah.
for coming, you
Oh
guys.
no, thank you. Thanks for having us.
Of course. So what were you doing before this? Anong ganap? San galing? Bago magpunta dito?
Galing kami sa isang ganito rin.
Oh!
guesting din.
Yeah, sa isang-
Saan? Charis din.
Yeah. So, I mean, tonight is our second stop. Parang ganon.
So this is a tour.
Yeah,
a radio
kinda.
tour. Ganun.
Kinda.
Mini tour.
Mini tour.
Mini tour?
And,
Local tour.
this will continue, I think, in the next, 2 weeks? Tama ba?
Oh, wow.
Parang ganon. Yeah, we'll visit.
So loaded. It's a loaded month basically for
Yeah,
for you.
medyo.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay. I'm excited for that.
Yeah.
Okay, let's talk about first yung band yun, Let Gravity. I
Yes.
wanted to know what was the inspiration behind this name, Let Gravity. Nanonood ba kayo ng Wicked? Kasi
no.
may Defying Gravity.
Ano yan? Actually, parang pinutol siya na phrase.
Oh.
Let Gravity is parang, okay, whatever you do, best effort, do the best that you can all the time, and then let gravity take its course. Yeah.
Kasi it's constant eh.
Yes.
Gravity
Yun.
cannot be changed.
Yes.
Yun lang ang alam namin na saying. Tapos, pag lasing kami, ang naaalala lang namin, let gravity. Ano yan? Sinasabi mo yung let gravity, let gravity.
Parang don't do an... Ano yan?
Ano yan?
Don't do an...
To others.
Others. Ganyan.
Yun. So sabi namin,
Yung let gravity, let gravity.
Ang ganda na eh. Ang ganda na nung kwento eh.
oo.
Naging lasinggero na
Oo.
bigla dun sa dulo.
Okay yung Let Gravity kaysa sa baka constant. Yung constant.
Oh.
Kasi constant lang naalala. Or Let Gravity. And I like it. Isa nga yun sa sinasabi nilang, nag-science. Yun yung actually nag-stick din sa akin sa science lessons.
Yes.
Ko,
that's-
Newton, di ba? Isaac Newton.
Yes.
Kalimutan niyo na yung sinabi ko, let's stick to the original. Kwento.
Of course, yeah. Oh,
But I
parang-
believe.
Let gravity
I
take
believe.
its course.
Oo.
Basta ano lang, yun, ang ibig sabihin nun is sa lahat ng gagawin mo, everything you do, kung ano man task yan, just best effort palagi. And then, yeah, let gravity take its course.
Oh, okay.
Parang
How did the three of you find each other? Anong story behind the making of the band?
Nag-gravitate ba kayo to each other?
Towards each
Yeah.
other. Polar
Niligawan nila
opposites
ako.
ba kayo?
Niligawan nila ako.
Kasi haba ng buhok mo eh.
Habang hair ko, niligawan niya ako.
Unfortunately, you know what? I'm with these guys. I don't want to be with them. No, joke lang. Hindi. Miguel and I, we are childhood friends.
Oh.
Yeah. And then si Jad, we saw him busking somewhere. So sabi ko, kawawa naman to. Why don't we? No. Joke lang. Kasi nauulanan na.
Ginawa na fish, tinuruan na lang mga isa.
Ginanon niya ako ng payong, bro.
Gumagawa kayong banda.
Bro, gumagawa akong banda. Okay ka ba?
I choose you.
I choose you.
Oo, parang ganun. Hindi, pero this is like, the second version na nung Let Gravity.
Oh,
We used to be a 5-piece band. Kaya lang, some of the members, kumbaga, nag-emigrate na.
Nag-ibang ano.
Yeah, and then also when the pandemic happened, circumstances have changed.
Yeah.
So, sabi ko, okay, so everyone's doing their thing. Parang ganun. So, and then being the last original member,
Oh!
yeah. Sabi ko when the pandemic happened, so no gigs, right?
Yeah.
So sabi ko sayang naman yung mga songs na nailabas na before.
Sulat and all.
Yeah, and also the ones that I've also written. So nung okay na ulit yung gigs, so of course I have to reach out to my two best buddies here. Sabi ko, guys, would you like to do this? Okay. And I was originally the bass player ng Let Gravity, and then since I'm writing the songs na, sabi ko, why might as well sing my own songs. Parang ganun. So yun, kaya 3-piece na kami ngayon.
And
Yeah.
yet with a three-piece band, buo pa rin yung tunog nyo and
Yes.
nagagawa niyo yun as
Yes.
three, right? From five, because five is a big number, to go down
Yes.
to three, it's very difficult na buo yung tunog nyo.
Yes.
How has the formulation of your music changed now that you guys are three?
We
Oh,
had to make adjustments, right?
yeah, we had to make
had to
some
make-
adjustments, pero siguro, I mean, we're tighter now, I would say. Kasi mas madali siyang,
tatlo
mas
na
madaling
lang.
pag-usapan eh.
Sa playing
Kumbaga,
styles.
less voices but more concentrated
Yeah.
on the goal.
Playing
Ganyan.
styles.
Yung playing style, especially kami ni Miguel.
Yes. Kami ni Don, parang na-enjoy lang namin. Before,
parang-
basketball lang tayo.
Oh, basketball lang kami eh. Oh. Kasi we're childhood friends eh.
Yeah.
Tapos yung unang banda namin, way back, nag-try lang kami. Sabi ko,
Battle of the Bands din ba to?
nanalo kami eh.
Yung
Yung
grade 8.
Oo, mga ganun eh. So sabi ko, ayun.
Grade 2 ako noon.
So nung natigil yung tugtugan, I was actually based overseas. And then
Oh,
and then
okay.
nakita ko siya.
Overseas din or
Oo,
online?
Doon, nakita kami doon.
okay.
Oo. So sabi ko, okay, so there must be something. Alam mo yun, parang
Nag-gravitate
Oo,
nga.
parang nag-gravitate So yun nga. So it was
Pinayungan niya. Tapos sabi niya, bro.
Tapos nakita niyo siya sa
Ang
Singapore.
lakas na,
Nagbabasking.
no? Parang napanood ko na to. Carlo Aquino, ikaw.
So sabi ko, uy, parang we are probably destined for each other pagdating sa music. So yun, okay naman.
Have you always, because you have done busking, you have always done band. Is that something that you've always been doing for your in
No,
your
I
life?
used to be in the corporate world.
You do sound like a corporate man, I must
Oh.
say.
Pero I feel like ito yung passion mo, no? I think this was your passion. And
but
then,
when I had a day job, actually I still play at night.
so, kasi we need to fund our
Parang
passion.
may
Yeah.
may Makati na hindi mo makamot eh, parang ganun eh. So
And yun yung back scratcher yung corporate job, diba?
yeah, pero no, I was just kidding. Jad is not a busker. Ano lang, I mean, we are like under one agency.
Okay.
Nung
You have to ruin
Nung
it's
the-
Sayang, uto-uto
Pandemic.
kasi ako eh.
Oo
Naniniwala,
nga eh.
pati sa inuman, naniniwala
Nauto na
na
ako
ako
eh.
eh.
No, we were talking about how parang kasi it's very uninteresting, how we
Hindi
met.
naman.
We are very interested.
We can make it interesting.
Kaya
Yes.
sabi ko, let's make it interesting. Parang, can we make it like a love story? Kapag kinikwento mo naman, how'd you meet me?
Wag na mabubuking ka rin eh.
ayun.
Okay na yun.
Hindi, pero
Kaya nga po
Case in
tayo.
point, ayan.
Yeah, hindi, pero yun. So, ganun, doon kami nakita. We're under one agency nung pandemic. Nung pandemic kasi di ba nauso yung mga online streaming.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wherein you're gonna sing, you're gonna play, ganun. Also, we are under one team. So, yun. So, yun nga, nung pwede na ulit tumugtog,
Yeah, the contacts.
Yeah, dito na
Ganun.
ang best friend kong drummer. So,
Yeah.
diba, might as well look for probably the easiest person to play with. Which is, yun,
How long have the three of you guys have been playing together as Let Gravity?
3 years.
3 years.
Yes, 3 years.
Si Sir din po ba, have you also always been doing bands? Or bago ka niya
Before,
pulutin, may
yes,
ginagawa
meron
kang
din.
iba?
Baga bumabiyahe rin ako before sa iba-ibang variety bands.
Oh, what's a variety band?
Parang ano siya, cover bands, mga
Cover
ganun.
bands.
show band.
Oh, so he played overseas. Kaya ilang beses
Iba-iba.
iba-ibang countries eh.
Wow.
Have you tried, like, isa mga dream ko, isa cruise, ganun.
Hindi. Yung mga,
Diba?
mga ano lang,
Tas
mga
may
clubs
iceberg.
sa Japan.
Ayun, Jay, sa
Mga
Japan
guys,
daw. Tumutugtog siya sa Japan.
Japan agad.
Oh,
Pero,
adik kasi siya sa Japan. Kakagaling niya
backup
lang
ako
doon.
sa boy band
Pareho
na
Unti na lang sisingit ko yung Japan.
Addict din ako sa
Baka po kayo sa boy band.
yung Wise Guys po.
Wise guys. Oh, okay.
Bands. Okay, so 3 very strong personalities coming together, and the sound of you guys' music, at least the newest one, is very mellow,
Thank
very reminiscent as well. What was the story behind this newest single?
Oh, okay. Ang parati ko kasing sinasabi, when I wrote this song, ang parati ko sinasabi sa kanila, if there's one thing sa mundo na you can never replace, that's time. Di ba? Kumbaga yung 6:30 tonight is different from 6:30 last night. Parang
Yeah.
ganun, di ba? Iba yung mga nangyayari. And then one day, I walked into my kids' bedroom. So sabi ko, nakita ko yung mga gamit nila nung maliliit pa sila.
Na nandun lang sa isang
Yeah,
corner.
nandun lang.
ganyan.
Tapos sabi ko, and then now, I mean, may kanya-kanya na silang buhay. Right? So sabi ko, oy, bilis ng panahon na. Sabi ko ganun. So dun na nagsimula nung sinulat yung kanta. Yeah. And at the same time, di ba, maraming mga, alam mo na, maraming mga relationships na nag-e-end. Alam mo na, di ba, nag-iiba ng path yung mga ibang, alam mo na, magpa-partners, ganun. So sabi ko, mabilis nga ang panahon. So sabi ko, okay, so let me do this. Sabi ko, from a dad's perspective, and at the same time, kailangan
Ma-bridge mo rin.
ma-bridge ko yung iba, yung as a whole. Ganun. Kaya may lines dun na, I mean, kung saan ka man dadalhin, may isang pusong naghihintay. Yung love ko, yung pagmamahal ko, hindi lilipas. Parang ganun. So whatever happens, you know.
If there's anything constant as well with time, I mean, time kasi is constant. Lagi siyang moving and hindi mo mababalik yung tapos
Yes.
na, diba? The other constant thing as well is love. And
Yes.
I wanted to know if for the other two, parang how was love, let's say, relevant, or ano yung naging lugar niya sa buhay niyo when it came to this song as well? Paano kayo nakarelate? Was it like, especially during the pandemic was a really scary time for all of
yeah.
us.
Yeah.
Doon natin na-notice parang, oh my gosh, like isang ganun lang pala, instantly a lot of people nawawala na sa buhay natin. So, for the two of you, paano nyo nahanapan ng home itong Kay Bilis ng Panahon?
Sa akin, no, yung, kasi meron akong anak na sa out of the country. So, yung di pa nagpa-pandemic, baga ina-assist ko lang siya to his, baga yung dream niya to be professional basketball player.
Wow.
But then pandemic comes, so na-migrate siya sa Canada. Siguro 5 years na wala. May apo na akong bigla.
Sa 5 years na yun, no? Pandemic lang.
Ang dami
tas-
pwedeng gawin.
Pero
Sa party,
still,
isa lang pwedeng gawin.
still yung anak ko na yun. Baga, tuloy pa, nag-aaral pa rin siya. Sabi ko, tuloy mo lang. Pursue mo yung
gusto mo.
Yung dream mo. Tuloy pa rin yung basketball niya. Actually, napag-aral siya because of his passion to play basketball. Karoon siya ng pre-scholar.
Wow.
Siguro 2 years tapos na yung college. Sa
Canada, yeah. Very proud, kasi I saw that kid,
Growing up din, ano?
Yeah, Tapos ngayon,
So, ninong ka niya?
no, kasi,
Ay,
bakit
buti na
po?
lang kasi...
Apo.
oh,
Ninong siya ng apo.
ayaw niya eh.
ninong ka
ganun.
po.
Hindi, joke. Ayaw niya
Ninong
Ewan ko, biglang, yeah.
Ayaw mo eh.
Yeah.
Ayaw eh, pero nagkaroon po
Grabe.
nakatakas eh.
Napaka-close naman ng childhood friends na to.
Oo, hindi, ganun talaga. Ganun talaga. Yun.
So kayo rin po ba? Ano pong napaka-interesting kwento kung paano kayo nakarelate sa? Pamilyado rin po ba tayo?
Yes. We have kids na rin. Yeah. I have kids. Tapos ganun din, same story. Nakakamiss yung yung hindi mo na sila masabihan. Diba, para,
Kami po, di naman po namin masyado namimiss yun sa mga magulang.
there was a time that, okay, fine. Nung bata tayo, sinasabihan, oy, 2 o'clock ng hapon, matulog na kayo,
Tulog,
4
siesta na.
o'clock. And then you're gonna have to like pretend na you're sleeping kasi magalit si mama. So it's the same with us. Hindi na natin nagagawa yun. So I guess with your question kanina, how I relate to the song is, yun nga, I just keep thinking about the changes that's happened. And tapos pagdating sa love, I think that's what it is din. Parang it's evolving Parang how you evolve or how your feelings evolve with whoever you are with right now, or with yung or the situation that you all are in right now. And then that's how lumalabas yung paano mo minamahal yung anak mo, paano mo minamahal yung asawa mo,
Yeah.
kaibigan mo,
Boyfriend,
mga
girlfriend mo.
ganyan. Boyfriend, girlfriend. So yun, that's how I pictured the song. So when he came to me with the song, gawa ka nga ng something, yung gusto ko yung makapagbagdamdamin. Yung gano'n,
Easy ask eh, no?
makapagbagdamdamin.
Yun lang naman.
So I had to like dig somewhere. So yun, that's how I came up with the chord, the melody, the lines, the riffs, the solo.
So while you were, diba, syempre collaborative effort ito. While
Yeah.
you were, all the three of you were working on this, syempre magulang na kayo. I've always believed, and I mentioned this earlier,
Sure.
parents were also once children. And I wanted to know na parang, nagkaroon ba ng moment na syempre nagre-reflect kayo sa mga anak nyo, pero bigla nyo rin ba naalala yung sarili nyo na ano kaya naramdaman ng papa ko or mama ko tungkol sa akin?
Kung
Ganito
gaano
rin
kami
ba?
kasalbahe. Oo.
For a lack of a better term, sige, pero yung ganun
Oh,
po.
kasi nagbabata tapos nagbabasketball yung dalawa.
Yun, di ba? Alam mo yung kwentong yan. Ay,
Oh,
nako.
pamilyar.
Hindi naman. Sumakit ba ulo nila sa akin? Parang hindi naman.
Golden child.
Trivia,
Oh.
golden child.
Hindi.
He's just
No.
straight A.
Hindi. Biro yan. Biro
No,
lang yan.
it's
Doon po ako makikinig sa childhood best friend na tahimik.
Oh,
No? Walang
yeah.
masabi sa kabaitan ng tropa niya.
Si
No,
Don.
yeah.
Malalaglag.
Very good person yan si Don.
Hindi, totoo.
Napaka-trusted siya. And malaki respeto sa tao. Wow. Yun lang yan.
Laki ng TF natin
Told you.
200 to, ha?
Hindi, yun. Ano lang, everyday kasi for me parang nostalgic siya. Kasi for some reason I kept my nasa bahay ko lang yung mga childhood toys ko.
Oh.
So naalala ko na alam mo yun, kasi mahilig ako sa mga vintage toys.
Oh, okay.
So yung mga vintage na cars, figures, ganun-ganun. So titignan ko, sabi ko, malaki-laki rin pala ginastos nila nung bumibili ako nito ng bata. Parang ganun.
Buti binibili nila para sa akin to.
Buti na lang maganda grades ko. Parang
Apakabait
ganun.
ko palang bata para
Yeah.
mabilhan ng mga ganitong bagay.
Hindi, joke lang. Pero yun nga, totoo naman yun na we were all children before.
Pasaway children.
Oh,
Except you nga.
we were all young. So part of it din is kaya ako siguro na compose yung mga words dun sa kanta na yon because may mga ganun yung hugot niya. Yeah. And also I thought about them. Sabi ko na baga pare-pareho naman kaming mga parents.
Yeah.
Parang ganon. And I'm sure meron din silang mga relationships before. Di ba? Di ba? I'm sure.
Bata?
Oo. Ha?
Relationship.
Yung mga crush nung high school.
Ano daw,
pare,
mga
college.
first puppy love, ganyan.
Mga ganyan, no, yun. So, yun ang ano nun. Yun ang naging inspiration sa song na yun. Ikaw, may share ka ba?
Wala
Wala na.
Nakikinig kasi yung apo nyo, no? Baka mamaya sumabit tayo, mahirap na.
Baby pa naman yun eh.
Before we go on with you perform ka ng song, you're performing 2 songs tonight, diba? The
Yes.
other one is Kwento ng Buhay. And,
Yes.
And judging by the titles, parang very narrative-based yung mga songs.
Oh, yeah.
And I wanted to know na as Let Gravity, do you think na ang position nyo right now, yung sound nyo right now is more of a storytelling that bridges different, basta when a listener listens to your song, relate sila agad, ganun?
Yes, parang ganun. Kasi as much as possible, we want to make it simple. Even the words that we use. Tapos, we just want to promote positivity. Yun, yung kumbaga parang as much as possible, ayoko ng malungkot. Alam mo yung ganun. Ayoko ng negative, ayoko ng ganun. Gusto ko yung we're always here to inspire.
Heartwarming siya.
Yes. Yun ang gusto ko. Yung sabi ko nga, ang ano ko sa kanila, pinag-usapan namin. Kumbaga, let's not talk or let's not create a song about hate. No, of course, we're not gonna do that. Just be positive. Parang ganun.
Just love, ganun.
Yes.
Ika nga, Let Gravity.
Yeah.
Yun.
Exactly. Let Gravity. Yun.
Kasi yung love, pag sinabi mo kasing love, maraming ano yan eh. Maraming
Faces.
ibig sabihin yan eh. Saka maraming stages yan eh. Yung love kasi, it really comes with respect first.
Yeah.
If you respect the person, diba, kung mahal mo talaga yung isang tao, irespeto mo yan. Parang ganun. Yun. So masyado siyang malawak.
It's an abstract concept talaga.
Yes. So,
How wise. Parang feeling ko nabasbasan ako ng ano. Alam mo yung mga reels na sinesend ng lola mo yung may flowers sa paligid. Mga wise words.
yeah.
Well, we are very excited to hear you guys play
thank
not
you.
one,
Thank
but 2 of their songs. Again, if you want to watch, you can find us on kick.com/Magic899TV, live on Facebook as well. And without further ado, we have Let Gravity in the Magic Booth. You're listening to Magic 89.9.
Gusto mo? Kwento ng buhay?
No.
Yung isa?
Yeah. All right. Sound check. There you go.
Yeah.
ating hawak, iyong binitawan na. At ngayon'y lumilipad sa sarili mong daan. Pangarap mo'y hinahabol sa mundong ginagalawan. O kay bilis ng panahon, dumaan lang ang kahapon. Di ko na namalayan ng paglipas ng taon. Dumaan ang ilang gabing di ako mapakali, habang ang mundo ko'y umiikot sa'yo palagi. Hindi ko man aminin, kirot sa aking dibdib. Sa bawat hakbang mong palayo, ako'y natatahimik. At ngayon'y lumilipad sa sarili mong daan. Pangarap mo'y hinahabol sa mundong ginagalawan. O kay bilis ng panahon, dumaan lang ang kahapon. Di ko na namalayan ng paglipas ng taon. Dumaan ang ilang gabing di ako mapakali, habang ang mundo ko'y umiikot sa'yo palagi. Kung saan ka man dalhin ng buhay at pangarap, may isang pusong naghihintay. Pagmamahal ko'y dililipas kay bilis ng panahon, kay bilis ng panahon. O kay bilis ng panahon, dumaan lang ang kahapon. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Another one? All right, here's another one. Oh.
Wala dito yun.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay
It's
na?
there? Okay na ba? Sorry, yung...
Yung beatbox na wala sa monitor.
Okay na.
All right. Are you guys ready?
Yeah, sige. May titimplahin ka lang? All good?
Good.
All good?
All right. Once again, we have Let Gravity in the Magic Studio. You're listening to today's best music, Magic 89.9.
Gumising ka ng may ngiti sa langit, bitbit ang mga pangarap. Sa bawat yapak mo'y apoy, naglalagablab ang tagumpay. Hindi kailanman sumusuko. Oh, dasal lang yung tanglaw, lumalaban sa unos. Bangon, bangon, kwento ng buhay mo. Babangon, aahon, diwa ng puso mo. Ang bawat luha, ang bawat tiyaga ay alab ng pag-asa. Bangon, ahon, lakas ng loob mo. Kwento mo to, kislap ng bituin, hindi ka nag-iisa. Kwento mo to, ika'y kislap ng bituin, kasama mo kami. Bangon, bangon, kwento ng buhay mo. Babangon, aahon, diwa ng puso mo. Ang bawat luha, ang bawat tiyaga ay alab ng pag-asa. Bangon, ahon, apoy ng inspirasyon. Oh, 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 oh. Thank you.
Once again, let gravity inside the Magic
Thank you.
Studio. You're listening to the home stretch, Magic 89.9. Thank you so much, you guys. Now I
Thank
know
you.
what you
Upbeat
mean.
nga siya.
Oo.
Gets ko na yung slow, yung ano
Yeah,
na yung fast.
yeah.
Okay.
It is also very much so a song of inspiration talaga. And even if the first song, yung Kay Bilis ng Panahon, nakakaiyak yung feeling niya, it's a good type of cry. It's a reminiscent type of
Thanks.
cry. It was also released on Father's Day June
2 days, 2 days after. Before,
The day
yeah.
before.
because parang when I saw that, and then it is about, seeing your kids grow up. I'm very close to my dad, and my dad plays the guitar. So parang in-imagine ko siya na parang, oh my God, sa kasal ko, tutugtog to ng tatay ko. Parang ganun yung dating niya. So
Yeah.
medyo parang, oh.
I guess kayo, open kayo for wedding ano, no?
Oo naman.
Oh, yan
Why
oh.
not, right?
kontratahan
Yeah.
niyo na daw.
Ah, talaga?
Yeah.
Kailan ba yan? Kailan
Yung,
ba yan?
tanong niyo po yung boyfriend ko.
Kung gitarista yung tatay mo,
Magtatapos daw mo ng
Wala,
boyfriend niya.
wala,
Tapos
wala.
Talaga?
Wala po.
Alam mo, hindi na tinatanong yan. Dapat lapitan mo lang, gusto mo ako? Tara, ganun lang. Hindi, joke lang.
Yun ang galawan mo pala.
Oo, di ba?
Yung ba yung
Hindi.
nangyari sa'yo? Sinabihan ka
Yun
na.
nangyari sa anak niya nasa Canada, for sure.
Pandemic lang eh. Lolo!
Oo.
Surprise!
Actually, hindi. Batang ano nga eh. Anyway, ganun talaga.
Bakit hindi you get to spend more time with your grandkids, and not a lot of grandchildren have that, to be able to spend
Oo, kasi
time?
masyado siyang bata to be ano eh. Alam mo na. Grandpa.
Ako hindi ako maano sa age reveals kasi ano eh. Pero
Oh.
para po
Wag na
kayong
muna.
kaedad namin lang. Grabe na.
Oo.
Actually-
hindi yan white hair, blonde yan.
Ano yan?
Silver.
Oh, hindi kasi
Platinum.
alam mo na yung minsan kasi yung iba feeling nila parang nasa 30s na, can you
Yes.
still play ganun. Sa akin lang kasi if you think you're too old to rock, then you are.
Yeah.
Totoo naman. Actually,
Yeah.
oo. Hindi naman kailangan pakita kung sumasakit na yung
Oh,
ulo
no,
mo.
Guns N' Roses just released a new song.
Oh my God,
Yeah.
Madonna
Like a week
is still
ago.
releasing
Oh, diba?
releasing
Yeah,
new
totoo
music.
yun.
You're never too old to make music, you guys.
Totoo yun.
Pero
Di tsaka-
namin sinasabi na, ito
okay
kasi.
lang.
Oh, ikaw itong nagsasabing grabe naman.
Wala ako sinabi.
Hindi, okay lang yan. Pero
Ako nga, in-invite
pero
ko na sa
again,
kasal eh.
Oo, yung dreams, walang expiration date
Yes,
yan.
exactly. Oo.
Wala, hindi nag-expire yan. Yun.
Meron akong hint. Tinatawag na kaming tito. Ako at least.
Talaga?
Tito Jad.
Ako kuya eh, ba't ganun? Hindi, okay lang.
Tumahimik
Let's
ka,
not,
makaimik
no,
ni
let-
JJ.
no, let's not talk about that,
Kami
guys.
papunta pa lang ata kami din.
No, let's talk about music. Let's
Kasi
talk about
parang
music.
iba yung pag tinatawag ka iho, iha.
Iho.
Ay, okay pa.
Oh, Totoy.
That's too old school, man.
Kasi nga, tapos minsan yung, tinawag ako dati, ustoy.
Oh.
Okay, ustoy. Ustoy.
Ngayon na, your age is showing na pag ganyan.
Ayan.
Hindi ko nga po alam kung ano yun eh. Ano ba?
Oh, see?
Ustoy, ayun.
Ako bro, hindi. Sa totoo lang, hindi ko alam yun. Ustoy? No, seriously. Hindi ko alam.
Wala. Actually, tinatawag pang kuya to pagka nasa daan eh. Kuya!
Oh.
Ako kasi sanay ako pogi, ganun. Kaya,
Yun.
Oh my God, thank you so much, you guys. Papatulang ko
thank
pa to
you.
parts. Tama na,
No,
tama.
thank
Hey,
you
where
for
where
having
can
us.
people reach out to you? Where can they listen to your music? Where can they
Sige.
find you? Go.
Yeah. Sa lahat ng online platforms, mga streaming platforms, just look for Let Gravity. It's 2 words, L-E-T and then Gravity. Facebook, Instagram, we also have TikTok. And kaka-post lang ng audio nitong kanta yung kay Bilis ng Panahon sa YouTube. So you can also stream it there. But sa Spotify, thank you guys. It's doing well so far. And dun sa mga random na gumamit ng song sa TikTok.
Wow!
Yeah.
Small ano lang. Trivia lang. So we released this song, right? Tapos that's what we meant. We meant it as a tribute, for for our fathers.
Yeah.
Then, for everyone.
For
everyone.
everyone. Pero yung parang that was the idea. The kids in TikTok, what they did was they took the song and then they saw it as like eto kasi yung post grade 5 last year, grade 6 this year, grade 7
Next year.
Next year.
So they
Oh.
parang yun yung naging nila, yun yung naging concept nila. Kids, they're the ones who run the show.
Oh, yun nga.
Talk sa kids.
Trendsetters na sila.
Trendsetters
Oo.
So yun, nakikita ko lang.
Nakakatuwa lang. Meron pa.
That's how they took it pala.
Yeah, and there's a random user who actually posted a picture of, when he was in his 20s and now he's in his 30s.
Oh.
Tapos nakalagay ron kay Bilis ng Panahon. Yeah, oo nga naman. No? Yeah, may mga ganon. Ano pa ba? May nag-post ng Play Money. Sabi naalala niyo pa ba to? Yung mga ganon.
So, kasi real money na yun.
Parang ganon. So, nakakatuwa lang.
It's
Nakakatuwa.
a really a trip down memory lane for a lot of people.
Oo. And we are really, really happy na at least, kumbaga, nagiging interested sila ron sa song. Parang ganon. Parang nung I think a couple of days ago, nasa car wash ako. Yung katabi ng gas station. And then, habang inaantay kong pinapatuyo nila yung car, pag gano'n, parang kanta namin yun yun, nagsa-Spotify yung yung
Ganun moments.
dun sa gas station, yung mga, alam mo na, yung mga attendants doon, ang lakas ng music nila. Sabi ko, parang kanta namin yun. Oo nga, kanta nga namin. Ayun.
Oh, that must be such a surreal experience.
Kumbaga hindi pa siya ganun ka-big, pero hopefully, we'll get there kasi thank you guys for telling us na nakaka-inspire naman yung kanta. Ano mo yun? So thank you. Really appreciate that.
Yeah, and we hope also that it reaches the right audience
Yes.
for you guys.
Yes,
and
yes.
if the people want to watch you live, do you have any gigs coming up where they can find you?
Yes, tomorrow we are at Sirma Food Hub in Marikina.
Oh, ano ko yan? Sa may Save More.
Sa may
Sa may bayan, sa bayan.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Taga
Blue Wave
Marikina
yata?
kami.
Talaga ba? Ayun.
Lambda Dis.
Doon din nag-open mic lang din ako dati nung bata-bata.
Oh, nice.
Pre-pandemic.
We're gonna be
2 years old si JJ.
Senior high na ako.
we're gonna be there tomorrow. Yan sa Sirma. Sa may Blue Wave yata.
Yeah.
Yun. Tapos, ano pa ba?
August 7.
Sa August 7, nasa Match Point kami sa may Shaw.
Oh, okay.
Match Point, August 7. That's a Friday. So please guys, kung makakadaan kayo, just punta lang kayo ron.
It's gonna be.
And then, ano pa ba? We have a couple more. Kaya lang, I don't have the list with me. So might as well, just follow the
social
page.
media.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sa
There you
Facebook kami madalas makipag-engage. Parang ganun.
Okay.
Saka sa TikTok din. And of course, sa IG, ganun, lahat naman yan. So, just look for Let Gravity, L-E-T Gravity. And fortunately for us, as a band, wala kaming kapangalan.
Oo nga, walang numbers, nakuha nyo kagad.
Yeah.
yung Let
So
Gravity.
when you type Let Gravity, makikita nyo kagad
As is
dun.
na siya.
Yeah, parang ganun.
Ayan.
So thank you.
All right, and before I let you guys go, do you want to say hello to anybody, family who
Of
might be
course.
listening as well?
Of course, who'll go first?
Go na.
Ako muna? Okay. I just want to say hi to Hazel, my wife Hazel, Mishka and Mochi. Hello guys. And my mom and my mom-in-law, Mabu. And of course, to Flamingo Music and to Curve Entertainment, thank you. Thank you sa pag-aalaga sa amin. Thank you so much. And of course to Fitz and his family and who else? Okay. To Captain Mark Palomares. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, brother. Yeah.
Thank you, Cap.
Thank you, Cap. Yeah. To Grace. Grace of Flamingo. Yeah, she's outside. Of course, Vlad's. We have Vlad's here with us. Hey, bro.
Nakita ka na.
Oh,
Ayan.
naiya ka pa.
Ayan. Oh, ayan. And who else? Friends and family. Thank you so much. And of course, to you guys. Thank you for having us tonight. Next.
Hi sa loved ones. Siyempre, my wife Nimpa, my daughter Micah,
Yeah.
my son Miggy and Jam,
Mm.
sa in-laws ko kay Francine and my apo, si Jamoy.
Oh, yung
Jamoy,
cute naman.
yeah.
Saka yung workmates ko sa na SFI dyan sa may Every Nation. Ay, maraming salamat sa inyo kasi grabe yung suporta nila. Pati yung mga
Yeah, yeah.
staff sa grupo na to. Thank you, Magic 89.9.
Thank you. Yeah.
Yes. Thank you, Magic 89.9. First time here, so yeah, wanna do a quick shout out to my wife, Sarah. She's listening. Tapos my brother from another mother, Peter, and his soon-to-be wife, Kim. Thanks for helping out. Tapos syempre yung mga friends and families namin. And then of course, Curve, Flamingo, Don mentioned the rest. Thank you so much. And thank you so much, Magic, for having us here.
I almost forgot si Ate Mir na sa house.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you for helping me prepare kaninang umaga. Yeah, and saka na-recognize ng ng mga fur babies namin yung voice ko eh. So yeah, hello
So, but-
Spike.
So, kailangan natin ba?
Yeah.
Meron akong
Okay lang ba?
lima.
Okay lang ba? Yeah,
Meron akong
hello
lima.
Spike. Okay, hello Pom. Hello Pablo. Hello Paquito.
Oh, wow.
Right.
Ah, okay.
Hello Mokong and Bubuli. And of course, hello Bad Boy.
Almost
Yeah.
then. Seven or eight.
Sobrang mahilig kaming family sa
What?
dogs.
I mean, we're way past time. But what breeds of dog do you have?
Shih Tzus and Aspins.
Is Spike a Shih Tzu? Because
Yeah.
that's a very intense name for
Yes.
a Shih Tzu.
I'm
Spike.
very
Of course.
intense ng mga Shih Tzus. Have you seen them?
Yeah.
Be aggressive.
Tapos, hindi, tsaka yun, malapit talaga ako, especially sa dogs, because, I support a shelter.
Oh!
Yeah. So, I support a shelter. Saka ako nasabihin yung name next time na lang, pero yun nga, parang kasi ako advocate ako niyan.
Yeah.
Oo. So, yun.
Alright. Thank you so much for coming.
Pabatiin ko na rin sila Lulu. Si Lulu, si Crowley.
Pets mo rin to? Oh!
Si Lulu, si Crowley, si Hendrix, tsaka si Henson, at tsaka si Dart.
Parang
Ayan.
halatang saan sila inspired, di ba? Ano pangalan ng mga pets mo?
Pag-greet na rin
May
pala sa
alaga rin po ba kayo?
big bro ko kay Kuya Joe. Happy birthday, bro.
Happy birthday!
Hey, happy birthday! Happy birthday, Kuya! Yeah.
Senior, right?
Alright. Thank you.
That's what I'm
Looking
talking
young, bro.
about.
Wow!
Okay, all right. Thank you so much, you guys,
thank
for
you for having
coming.
us. Thank you.
And for
Super.
everybody out there, do not forget to listen to their music. You can stream them and follow them online as well. Let Gravity everywhere. And after that, you can find them because they do have gigs tomorrow somewhere in Marikina, and you can stay updated on their socials as well. Once again, you're listening to the home stretch on today's best music. We're Magic 89.9.
Ride with us on the home stretch with JJ and Ismail.
Something legendary is landing.